The following message is being transmitted at the request of the California State Police Department. At 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a bomb was detonated in Apple Park, Cupertino, California. This bomb destroyed the entire park and the surrounding areas and also killed hundreds of people, and has also started a major wildfire. All residents within a 50-mile radius of Apple Park are advised to evacuate now. All residents in the city of Cupertino are advised to evacuate now. Bring only the essentials with you. Bring food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered flashlight, a battery-powered radio, extra batteries, phone chargers, and a cellular phone for your travels. This fire will continue to spread and will engulf the entire city of Cupertino within 2 hours and 30 minutes. It is unknown if this explosion was an accident or an attack, but more information will be given when it is found. Evacuate Cupertino immediately.